Sean, try again. Start a little harder this time. Okay? Okay, go a little harder. Oh! Here, Sean, look. See, I can hold this. Look. You put your finger. Wait, watch. Put your finger. Put your thumb. Look. Put your thumb here, like this, and then put your two fingers in. Look, watch. Sean, look at me. Watch. Put your thumb, and then put your two fingers in like this.
You're trying. Go down here. All right. He's trying.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, it just missed. Hey, Sean, how about sit right here this time? Sit right here this time. Yep.
Okay.
Ah!
The ball's kind of like lopsided. Okay, go ahead. Yep.
Yeah!
Okay, try for your second throw. We'll just set them again. Hey, get back there. I'm going to roll it back there. Oh, yeah, that ball is. No wonder you can't hit it. I can't even throw it straight. It makes it tougher.
Yeah!
More. Okay, we're going to throw back up. We'll put them closer together for you.